Have you ever heard that a solar eclipse means the world is ending? Or that a lunar eclipse is because a monster is hitting the moon? These are just myths, so don't worry. In this video, we will debunk these old beliefs and explain the real science behind eclipse. So let's find out what actually happens during these amazing events in the sky. Stick around until the end of the video because I'm gonna share with you mind-blowing facts about the next solar eclipse that you don't want to miss. And also I will give you some tips on how you can safely watch these incredible events. So let's dive into the fascinating world of eclipse together. So hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to today's presentation on exploring the eclipse, solar and lunar wonders. So I am Ayesha Rizwan and you are watching Learn is Fun. Today we will dive into the fascinating world of eclipse and discover the beauty of these celestial events. So let's start. So what is eclipse? You know that the earth revolves around the sun. Okay, so what happens if these three, sun, moon and earth, comes in a straight line? That time eclipse happen. So we have two types of eclipse. One is the solar eclipse and the other one is the lunar eclipse. So we will see these all one by one. Okay, so let's start with solar eclipse. Solar eclipse happens when the moon comes between the earth and the sun. The light of the sun is blocked by the moon to the earth. So there are three categories of solar eclipse: total, partial and annular. So in the total solar eclipse, the sun is completely obscured by the moon. In partial solar eclipse, only part of the sun is covered, and in annular solar eclipse, when the moon is too far from the earth to completely cover the sun. So having a ring light, you see it, having a ring-like appearance here it comes. So here the moon is completely blocking the light of the sun, but here because it is too far, so the rays from the outer are coming like that. So that is called annular, total and partial. So let's see towards the next one, that is called lunar eclipse. So in the lunar eclipse, the earth came between the sun and the moon. So earth comes between the sun and the moon. The rays of the sun is blocked by the earth towards the moon. So this is called lunar eclipse. Okay, now how a lunar eclipse occurs? So during a lunar eclipse, the earth blocks the sunlight from reaching the moon. The earth's shadow has two parts: the umbra, where the sun is completely blocked, and the penumbra, where only a small portion of the sunlight of the sun's light is obstructed. Okay, so also we have some types of the lunar eclipse like before for the solar one. In the total lunar eclipse, the moon passes entirely through the earth's umbral shadow, often taking on a reddish hue. So in a partial lunar eclipse, only a part of the moon enters the umbra. Now a penumbral eclipse is subtitled with the moon passing through the earth's penumbral shadow, causing a slight debunk. Now let's talk about the frequency and predictability of eclipse. Solar eclipses are less common than lunar eclipse because the moon shadow only covers a small area of earth. However, lunar eclipses are visible from everywhere on the nighttime sides of earth. Both types of eclipse can be predicted with great accuracy. And I already told you why it happened. When sun, moon and earth comes in a straight line and one of them comes in the center, they just block the light while coming towards the next one. That is called eclipse. Okay. Now let's talk that eclipse in history and culture. Eclipses have fascinated humans for centuries. In ancient times, they were often seen as omens or divine inventions. Various cultures have myths and stories about eclipses reflecting their awe and fear of these celestial events. So let's see the fun facts and myths about eclipse. There are many interesting facts and myths about eclipse. For example, some cultures believe that a dragon or demon was eating the sun or moon during an eclipse, but in reality there are natural phenomena that occur due to the positions of the earth, moon and sun. So let's summarize this, but first let me tell you the observing eclipse, like the precautions and how you can observe the eclipse. So watching a solar eclipse requires some special precautions like using eclipse glasses to protect your eyes. So never look directly at the sun without proper protection. Lunar eclipses, on the other hand, are safe to view with the naked eye and can be enjoyed without any special equipment. So I hope you understand how you can see that and what precautions you have to take it. Anyway, let's summarize this video. Eclipses are incredible events that remind us of the dynamic nature of our solar system. Whether it is a solar eclipse or a lunar eclipse, each offers a unique opportunity to witness the wonders of the universe. So in the end, I would like to thank all of you for joining me on this journey through the wonders of eclipse. I hope you enjoyed learning about this fascinating celestial event. If you have any questions, feel free to answer ask, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Learn and Fun for more educational content. Till now, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video.